Yeah, and learning these new things also comes from developing a whole variety of interests, right?
Yeah.
So, have you had instances where your own personal interests somehow you felt improved your work in any way?
Yeah, of course, like we all, yeah, absolutely. Like,
See, we like to travel.
yeah.
Right.
So, it of course broadens your horizon. You get fantastic exposure. We were not great travelers in the 90s and all that. Opportunities were much less.
Yes.
But the last 15 years, probably, we have been, holidays, you go out, you travel
Yeah.
with the client.
Also, like, I love to see good things, like,
Yeah.
Yes.
So-
good, pretty objects, or like, accessories and
Yes.
plants and
Yeah.
all these things, like, just stick with you again.
Yeah.
And it molds you to actually bring about your design.
Right.
So I
yeah.
think
While she's looking at accessories inside, so I'm looking at the buildings outside. So it's good. I mean,
like, so I-
If you take some-
yeah,
Yeah.
our
Yeah.
interest sort of feeds off into our profession, and
Yeah.
surely
Like,
there are
from-
inspirations you can draw.
like you should have interest in everything, even a stone or a small piece of marble, or a textured wood, or a twig fallen on a path when you're going sightseeing into the jungle.
Yeah.
I think these things, like if you have interest in that and you find beauty in that,
Yeah.
I think that just sticks on to you and it inspires you to do your designs.
Yeah.
So I think anything,
Yeah,
anything
in other words, I would think nature really,
Nature.
can give you the greatest inspiration. What mankind can get from nature, you can get from you cannot get it from anywhere else.
Yeah.
So other than you travel and you look at built forms and human created,
Yes.
but if you look at the nature side of it, it can offer you practically everything.
and also art.
Yes.
Art, I'm a fine art student, so I used to do art, but now I don't have time.
Yeah.
In the lockdown, I did something.
Yeah.
But art is something which really inspires me. So wherever we travel, we make it a point to pick up art from the local artist,
yes.
who's like, not the large who's who artists, but on the street, people who paint, and those things. Arvind also has a lot of interest in art, like he
Yeah.
both of us we
Just
fish
random artists,
for
but
that.
we like to collect, we like to buy
and
on
we
our
are
travels.
always back with rolls of art. Like we see
Yeah,
to it
as
that
we can pretty much see around.
and there are I still have a lot of my art rolls still lying unframed.
Unframed and not knowing where to put it up.
Where to put it up, and
Yeah.
but still we go and buy more.
I think I can completely empathize.
Yeah, because art is something which really relates to your field also, and
Yeah.
it's something which even a simple room with very understated and with no detailing,
Yes.
you just put a beautiful piece of art and the right lighting would just make the place.
Yeah.
So art is something
And
which we
surrounding
really,
yourself with
yeah,
things that excite and inspire you.
absolutely. So art is something which really inspires me, and
Yeah.
even Arvind loves to shop for art. So
Sure.
yeah.